Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into some seriously cool science with a DIY vacuum chamber. Get ready to explore the fascinating effects of a vacuum right in your own home. We're talking about a world of reduced pressure, where things behave in wonderfully weird ways. Let's get started. First things first, let's gather our materials. You'll need a thick glass jar. Think something sturdy, like a mason jar, or even a repurposed pickle jar. The important thing is that it's made of glass and can handle a little pressure. Safety first, right? Next, grab a one-way valve, like the kind you find in a tire. This is a critical component and will be crucial for creating our vacuum. You can often find these at your local hardware store, or even recycle one from an old bike tire. And finally, you'll need a large syringe. A 60 milliliter syringe works great, or a small vacuum pump. A syringe works well for smaller experiments, offering a hands-on approach, while a small vacuum pump is ideal if you want to create a stronger and more sustained vacuum. The pump will allow you to run the experiment longer and observe the effects more clearly. Alright, let's get building. Carefully make a small hole in the jar's lid, just big enough to fit the one-way valve. A drill is the best tool for this, but if you don't have one, you can carefully use a utility knife. Secure the valve in place. Airtight is key here. You can use hot glue, epoxy, or even a rubber washer to ensure a tight, airtight seal. This seal is absolutely crucial to the success of your experiment. Leaks will prevent you from achieving the necessary vacuum. Now, for the fun part, the experiments. Let's start with a balloon. Place the inflated balloon inside the jar. Seal the lid, and start pumping out the air with your syringe or vacuum pump. Watch closely. As the pressure inside the jar decreases, the balloon will expand dramatically. This is because the air molecules inside the balloon are pushing outward, seeking to occupy more space, and there's less air pressure outside to hold it back. You'll see the balloon grow and grow until, well, we won't spoil the surprise. Amazing, right? Next up, a marshmallow. Pop a marshmallow inside the jar and repeat the vacuum process. You'll see the marshmallow puff up, growing in size. This happens because the air trapped inside the marshmallow expands when the pressure drops, creating tiny air bubbles that make it larger. The marshmallow basically bloats up like a mini blimp. It's like a marshmallow on steroids. Finally, let's try something even more surprising. Water boiling at room temperature. Put a small amount of water, just a tablespoon or two, in the jar and remove the air. You'll see the water start to boil even though it isn't heated. The reduced pressure lowers the boiling point of the water. This phenomenon demonstrates how temperature and pressure are intrinsically linked. Pretty neat, huh? So there you have it, a simple yet powerful DIY vacuum chamber, and a few awesome experiments to show you the wonders of a vacuum. The possibilities are endless. You can experiment with other items like shaving cream. Prepare for a mess, gummy bears, they'll expand, or even a hard-boiled egg. Just remember to always use caution, especially when dealing with glass and sharp tools, and have fun exploring the invisible world of pressure and vacuums. Always supervise children during these experiments, and don't forget to clean up any messes. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting science experiments. Let us know in the comments what experiments you try. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.